Once upon a time, there lived a little shepherd. Every day, the shepherd took care of his sheep by the hill.
Taking care of sheep is my duty. Each and every one is safe with me. Bring them out to graze in this valley. Then I can relax and be happy.
Happy little bunch of lambs are we, running up and down, all fun and play, grazing on the grass without worry, climbing over hills and eat all. I'm the strongest lamb in this valley. He ate all my food, that's why he's fat. I'm the fairest lamb in the whole wide world. I like it, I like it.
I know. Marvelous, marvelous.
Then he shouts,
Wolf! Wolf! Can someone please lend me a hand? Wolf! Wolf!
Where's the wolf? What's so funny about it?
There's the sheep, but there is no wolf.
What? No wolf?
Don't be mad. I'm just playing around. It's fun. I think I'll do it again. Why not? Wolf! Wolf! The big bad wolf is here! Help me! Help me!
Wolf? Wolf? Where? Let's go and eat a hand. Oh, you're lying again.
I'm kidding!
Little shepherd, if you call us again, we won't believe you. Yes, liar.
My tummy! Okay, I won't do it again.
angry, the villagers. I am the hungry wolf. I'm gonna eat all the sheep. Yum, yum, yum.
Can someone please let me
We don't trust you anymore. We've heard of that tree before. Just leave him alone. Let's do our work. Let's go!
I'm going to eat you. Where do you think you're going?
Why are you crying, little shepherd?
All my little lambs are here no more, taken away by the big bad wolf. It's all your fault. You didn't come to help. Now I am so sad and all alone.
Let this be a lesson for us all. Never tell a lie, how big or small. No one will believe you anymore. Always tell the truth and nothing more. Hey everyone, don't ever tell lies like that. Even if you tell the truth, no one will believe you again. Yes. The shepherd heard his